Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to invest using cryptocurrency on Infintri. Step 1. Go to www.infintri.com and sign into your account. Step 2. At the top of the page, click on the Investment tab. You'll see 3 options. Select Online Investment. Step 3. You'll now see all available packages and their details. Choose the package you want to invest in, then click on Investment Type. Here, select Self-Investment if you're buying the package for yourself, or Downline Investment if you're purchasing it for someone in your team. Step 4. Enter the amount you'd like to invest and click Continue. Step 5. You'll be redirected to the checkout page where you can review your package details. Once confirmed, click on Choose Cryptocurrency. Step 6. Select your preferred cryptocurrency and click Confirm Investment. Step 7. You'll now see the wallet address and a QR code. Simply copy the address or scan the QR code to send your payment. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Infintri investment package using crypto.